Hello friends, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel Study Island. So today we are going to see question number 10 from exercise 20.2, class 7, chapter is mensuration. So let's first read the question. Question is, a poster of size 10 cm by 8 cm is pasted on a sheet of cardboard such that there is a margin of width 1.75 cm along each side of the poster. Find the total area of margin, the cost of the cardboard used at the rate of 0.60 rupees per centimeter square. Okay. So here is a drawing. ABCD, suppose there is a cardboard on which there is a poster PQRS. Okay. And there is a margin of 1.75 centimeter along it, four sides. Okay. So the length of poster is 10 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. If you will understand the question from this, so suppose this pink one is a cardboard on which this white sheet is representing as a poster, and four side there is a 1.75 of margin. Okay, so we have to find out this margins area. Okay, the area of the margin and the cost of the cardboard used at the rate of 0.60 per centimeter square. So what we will do? First we will find out the area of the poster. Okay, then we find out the area of the cardboard. Then we will do it step by step. I will tell you later on. Okay. So first we will see what we know. We know or we have length of poster. Poster is here PQRS. So you can write it like this. PQRS length is 10 centimeter. Then breadth of poster is 8 centimeter. So by using this length and breadth we can find out the area of the poster. So the area of the poster will be length into breadth. Length into breadth means 10 into 8 means 80 square centimeter. Okay, so this is the area of this poster. Likewise, we will find out the area of the cardboard also. So let's see. Now, length of cardboard including margin, because there is a margin four side. So including margin, or you can write here also ABCD. ABCD. Length of cardboard ABCD. So length will be, here there is a 10 plus 1.75 plus 1.75. So it will be 10 plus 1.75 plus 1.75. So let's add it. 10, 1.75 plus 1.75. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 is as a carryover. Now 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 again as a carryover, 1, 2, 3 and 3. So 1. So it will be 13.50 centimeter. Now this is the length of the cardboard including margin. Now likewise we will find out the breadth also. So breadth of cardboard, again including margin, will be, here the breadth was 8 centimeter. So again we have to add 1.75 here, 1.75 here. 8 plus 1.75 plus 1.75. So let's add it here only. 8.00, 1.75, 1.75. The 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 5, here 1 is as a carryover. So 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11. So it will be 11.50 centimeter. I hope till now it is clear. Now we will find out the area of the cardboard. So the area of the cardboard will be length into breadth means whatever new length and breadth we have found out, we will multiply and we'll find out the area. So, area of cardboard will be length into breadth. For length I have written L and for breadth it's B. So length is 13.50, okay, and breadth is 11.50. So when you will multiply, you will get 155.25 square centimeter. Okay. So now we have two areas. One is for the poster. This is poster's area, which was 80 centimeter square. And now the area of the cardboard, the pink one, 155.25. Now to find out the margin, this margin, we have to subtract area of the cardboard. We have to subtract area of the poster from the area of the cardboard. So, area of the margin will be equals to area of cardboard minus area of poster. Okay. So, area of cardboard is 155.25 centimeter square and area of poster was 80 square centimeter. So, let's subtract 155.25 minus 80 centimeter square. So, let's subtract. What answer we will get? 80.00. Here there is nothing, so we can write it as a 0.00 for subtraction. So 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 0, 5, 15 minus 8, 7. So 75.25 square centimeter will be the area of the margin. So the total area of the margin is 75.25. From this question, one question is answered. Okay, area of the margin is 75.25. Now we have to find out the cost of the cardboard. Okay, so the cost of the cardboard will be, or to find out the cost of the cardboard, we have to multiply this total area by the per centimeter square price given. Okay, so cost of cardboard used will be total area of the cardboard, which is 155.25 multiplied by cost for per centimeter square. So when you will multiply this, you will get the answer as 93.15. Okay. So I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, please you can comment. I can explain this one again. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.